7th of July is celebrated as World Chocolate Day, and IFN couldn't be more excited to find out how Mumbai is going crazy over their chocolate concoctions. So come along with me as I go to various parts in this city to try different chocolate delicacies. Come along. As a part of this journey, I'm also taking you to experience one of those theoretical chocolate desserts that have taken Instagram by storm. Yes, I'm talking about the chocolate balloon, which is also known as the chocolate mistress, where we're headed today. Not only is the dessert absolutely beautiful to watch, but it's so delightful in taste. I really hope you like this place because I sure loved it and I can't wait to go to the next one. So come with me. My next destination is Subha's Sandwich, which is grown to become a hotspot between college students known for its chocolate sandwich. Come, let's taste. This 3-layered sandwich is oozing with chocolate, and I'm going to finish this and move on to the next place. Come. So if chocolate and pizza are your two soulmates, I've come to just the right place for you. I'm at the chocolate heaven that serves chocolate pizza. So come join me. So chocolate heaven serves various kinds of chocolate pizzas, and I'm going to try the mellowed out pizza and the brownie pizza. This marshmallow pizza is based with marshmallow topped with so much Nutella and covered with marshmallows on top and bananas. I'm now going to try the brownie pizza. This brownie pizza is layered with brownie crumbles and it's topped with 3 kinds of chocolates, dark, milk and white, which makes it so delicious. So this for sure was an indulgent meal. So come, let's move on to the next place. And now I'm at Pure Milk Center in Ghatkopar that's going to whip out some fresh warm chocolate dosas for us. And I can't wait to taste. So come. This chocolate dosa here is completely loaded with chocolate on the inside, and not only that, they also generously serve it with a chocolate dip and cover the entire dosa with chocolate chips. Our chocolate journey is unfortunately now coming to an end, but of course we're going to end it with something special, with India's favorite mouth refreshener, that is Paan, but in a chocolate flavor. Tell us in the comments below if you also have a sweet tooth and which is your favorite chocolate adda. And keep watching India Food Network.